In this video, we will study about hormone and mechanism of hormone action. So before beginning, please like, share and subscribe. System and the endocrine system jointly coordinate and regulate the physiological function in the body. So all the cells of the body are not connected by the nerve fibers, but the cellular function need to be continuously regulated by a special kind of coordination. This carried out by the endocrine system. We have two type of gland in our body, that is endocrine gland and exocrine gland. So what is endocrine gland? Endocrine gland are ductless gland of endocrine system that secrete their product hormones directly into the blood. So the endocrine glands examples are pineal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, ovaries, testes, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, hypothalamus, adrenal gland. And what is exocrine gland? That gland makes substance such as sweat, tears, saliva, milk, digestive juices, and releases them through a duct or a opening to the body surface. So what is the example of the exocrine gland? That is lacrimal gland, salivary gland, sweat gland, mammary gland, digestive gland. Is hormone. Hormones are non-nutrient chemical which act as intercellular messenger and produce in trace amount. Hormones that travel in our blood to the tissue or organ, and the hormones work slowly over time and affect many different processes including and the development. Hormones are also called primary messenger or chemical messenger. So what is the type of hormone? Hormones are basically three types, that is steroids hormone, protein hormone, amine hormone. In the steroid hormone, the examples are aldosterone, cortisol, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. And in the protein hormone, like growth hormone, TSH means thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH, adenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, insulin, glucagon, human chorionic gonadotropin, prolactin. And in the amine hormone, adrenaline, noradrenaline, thyroxine, triiodothyronine. Endocrine gland. This endocrine gland secrete hormone in the bloodstream, and this hormone travel via blood and binds into the receptor present on the target cell and form hormone receptor complex. And these hormone receptor complex will cause various changes in the target cell. So now we will discuss about hormone receptor. So hormone receptor are a large protein in the target cell. Each receptor is specific for a single hormone. Means each receptor can combine with only one hormone. So hormone receptors are situated either in the cytoplasm or in the nucleus or in the cytoplasm. So on the basis of these receptor, the hormone are divided into three categories. First, receptor for protein, or this is also called water soluble hormone, which are situated in the cell membrane of the target cell. Examples are growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin, insulin, glucagon. The second one is receptor for steroid hormone, also called lipid soluble hormone, situated in the cytoplasm of the target cell. Examples are steroid hormone, and steroid hormone example are androgens, estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, etc. And the third one is receptor for thyroid hormone, which are situated in the nucleus of the cell. Examples are T3, T4. About mechanism of steroid hormone action. We know about endocrine gland. Endocrine glands secrete steroid hormone which travel via blood and reach into the target cell. For the steroid hormone, the receptor present inside the target cell. So this hormone can enter the cell by diffusing across the plasma membrane. Now this hormone binds to the receptor and form hormone receptor complex. Now this hormone receptor complex enter in the nucleus and binds to the DNA and influenced for the transcription in the nucleus. Transcription means DNA to RNA. Now this mRNA moves out in the nucleus and reached into the ribosome. The ribosome produces large quantity of protein which produce the physiological changes in the target cell. So now we discuss about mechanism of protein hormone. Protein hormone are water soluble, so they cannot pass through the cell membrane of the target cell. The hormone which acts on the target cell is called first messenger or chemical mediator. The hormone binds to the receptor on the plasma membrane and form hormone receptor complex. This complex activates the enzyme of the cell and cause the formation of another substance called second messenger. The events in the activation of second messenger are the hormone receptor complex activated. This undergoes conformational changes that cause G protein to bind with cytoplasmic part of the receptor and exchange GDP to GTP. This activated adenyl cyclase enzyme. Now this adenyl cyclase enzyme convert ATP to CMP. CMP means cyclic adenosine monophosphate. This CMP activates the action of the hormone inside the cell by stimulating the enzyme like protein kinase. This protein kinase leads to a response of the hormone. The responses are like a new protein synthesis, change in the activity of the enzyme in the cytoplasm, cell secretion, change in the cell permeability, etc.